Hi guys, in this video today we are going to see how to install MongoDB shell and its tools on Ubuntu 20.04. First download the community version. We are going to see how to install the community version for MongoDB. Let's go to the official website and download the package and download the package. Select the distribution and download the package. You can also copy link and you can download that package using wget command. Same way, now download the shell package. Now go to tools and download the utility package MongoDB database tool. Select the distribution and package format, and then download the file. Now we have downloaded all required packages. Now you can install using sudo dpkg-i start.dev. Just type sudo dpkg-i start.dev. This start.dev will select all three downloaded packages. It will mark it for installation. MongoDB has been successfully installed. Now you can check the status of MongoDB service using system control command. Sudo system control status MongoDB. By default the server is not running. It is showing that inactive state. It is in inactive state. You can start the service, MongoDB service, using sudo system control start MongoDB. It is disabled by default. The MongoDB service has been disabled. You can change that to enabled state so that the MongoDB service will automatically start on system when you start the system. Now the MongoDB service will automatically start when you start the system, when you log into the system. Yeah, now the status is enabled. Now we will see how to access MongoDB server. We can use Mongo shell through Mongo command. Now it is connected to a database server. You can select specific database using use space database name. If the database is not available, it will be automatically created. Now we are using MyDB database, and we will see how to create collection. A new collection with name friends has been created. Now we can see how to insert documents into the friends collection. You can use db.collectionName.insert method to insert the data into the collection. Yeah, the data has been inserted successfully. Now we will see how to insert uh, more than one data at a time. You can use the insert many command, insert many method to insert array of documents at once. This method is useful when we want to bulk insert the data. Yeah, it is. The documents has been inserted successfully. Now we can use the find method to list all the available documents. Yeah, we have all 3 documents listed there. We can also filter it out. We can pass the criteria to filter the documents. For example, this will filter only documents that has a name Bob. We can also use underscore IDs to filter the documents. That underscore ID will be automatically created by the MongoDB when we insert the data, when we insert new document. That will act as primary key for a document. It will be unique to each document that we insert into the MongoDB. Now we will see how to remove the document from the collection. We can use remove method to delete the document from the collection. To delete this specific document, we can use we can pass the underscore ID and the document ID as a value. Yeah, the document has been removed successfully. I can give whatever the filter criteria that we want. to the remove method so that the matched items will be removed. Yeah, now we have only 3 documents with us. If you want to delete only one document, you can use delete one method. Even if we have if it will only delete one document, even though if we have more than one document that matches the criteria. We have multiple documents with the name Balu and Babu. The find one method will return only one document that matches the criteria. Even though we have multiple documents with name Balu, it will return only one. Find one method will return only one document that matches the criteria. Now we are going to see how to update the document. We can use update method to change the fields and to change the to update the document values. We have to use the $set operator to change the value or field value of the specific document. This doesn't update any document. I think we have misspelled name. Yeah, now it changed one it modified one document. Actually it changed the name value to Balu V and it added one more field to the document, mobile, that is mobile field. Yeah, the change is there. It changed the fields. You can see that. The update menu method will update all the matched documents, but the difference is the update method will only update the single document even though it matches multiple documents. You can see the update method only update one document at a time. By default it will update only one method. If you want to update multiple documents, you have to use update menu. Now we'll see how to find the count of a collection, total documents. We have count documents method. This will return the total number of documents in the collection. You can pass the criteria. what are the filter criteria, so that it will get the count of matched documents. Now we'll see how to drop the collection. Show collections command will print the list of collections available in the database. The drop method will help us to delete the collection. Now we will see how to delete the database. The drop database method will help us to delete the database. Show dbs command will list the available databases. If there is no collection, the database will be automatically deleted. So we will create one more database and see how to drop it. Now we are in tempdb. Show dbs, we have to create the collection so that it will be listed, the database will be listed in the show dbs list. Yeah, the collection has been created. If we now, the database will be listed when we use the show dbs command. db.drop database method will delete the db. We don't the database has been deleted. That's it, guys. Please follow and subscribe my channel to get more updates on MongoDB and Node. Thank you.